All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to use the MetaMask wallet on your phone. Game changer, guys. So, guys, 90% of users are using a cell phone. I know most of the people in crypto right now, they do use their computer for Web3 information and different things. But, guys, it's really a point in time to where we show people how to use MetaMask on their cell phone. So, you really just download the app on your cell phone, just like a normal app, and there's different chains. So you can actually, this little section up here where it says wallet, you can actually change through different networks. Here's the XDAI chain. It looks like I have a bunch of ETH, but I really don't have that much in this. It's really just XDAI, so it's really like $10. If you guys want to check out XDAI, I did a video on my channel. I'll try to keep this one short so you guys can get the gist. But basically, you can scan different codes. So you can hit the scan, you can connect basically with any wallet, or like if you're trying to browse on the computer, you can connect your MetaMask that way. You can view your transaction history. You can go, this is how you connect online. So on your browser, if you're wanting to like do Uniswap, this is how you can connect. So you literally go to Uniswap, uniswap.org. This is just Uniswap, for example. This is the same thing for all the others. And you hit the app, and once you hit that, now it'll allow you to connect. It'll have this pop up. So that's how you connect. So a lot of people were complaining or explaining, how in the world do I use this? Well, that's how you use it. And you can easily add networks by clicking this wallet. Well, this is how you switch networks. To add a network, you go down to settings right here, and you go to networks, and this is where you can add a network. So pretty easy to use. You can actually customize your gas. You can share your address. View on Etherscan, have a transaction history. What else would you? Oh, this is how you can easily just copy your address. You just click the account number. Well, this right here, this section, and it'll automatically copy it for you right there. This also stores your NFTs, so you can add some collectibles. Just put the contract address for the NFT, and you can actually store it right on your MetaMask. So this is really how you guys use the MetaMask wallet online. There's different things you can do, like for example, there's different faucets you can link on, like the honey faucet we talked about on our channel. Let's see. What else should we show you guys? Well, yeah, that's really it. If I missed anything, guys, go ahead and leave a comment below. I'll tell you guys how to use it. Really cool, easy to use. It's just like the MetaMask on the computer, except it's on the ease of use of your cell phone. Still recommend the computer, but anyways, guys, we are still, or a lot of people are using cell phones, so this is how you use it. If I brought any value to you guys, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. That way you guys learn about cryptocurrencies, little tips and tricks like this, and well, how to make it out there in cryptosphere. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Thanks. All right, guys, thanks for watching. And without you guys watching, I wouldn't keep doing these videos, but I'm hoping I'm helping you guys. If I am, smash that like button. Go ahead and get started with the triple threat. Go ahead and start with the Celsius account. Here's a referral link where you guys can earn $20 in BTC. Really awesome. Set up a Celsius account, easy to use, and you get crazy interest rates on your Celsius account. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, you name it. The next one in the triple threat is a crypto.com account. Super easy to use, super easy to set up, really easy to buy and sell on it. I don't like how it doesn't have limit orders, but really easy to use. And here's another referral code for 25 bucks in CRO. Here's the referral link, A8GP, you guys can read it. But anyways, guys, a cool place to buy cryptocurrency on the go. Allows you to buy small altcoins, unlike Celsius. Celsius is more so like your bank account. And the third one, this one is a fun one, Voyager. This one is more so where you can buy with limit orders. It doesn't have as many altcoins as crypto.com, but it's really easy to use, easy to set up. And yes, this one does come with a referral link as well, and you'll get $25 in BTC. This is how you can do a limit order. Super easy to use, and they don't charge any trading fees whatsoever. Here's the referral link. You can't copy and paste it, but you can look in the description to copy and paste, and you can put that in and set one up. 25 bucks, free BTC. This is the funnest one though. Lolly, free. There is a referral link to this one too. I've actually won 100,000 sats one time on one of the taps, which is worth like 100 bucks in Bitcoin. So it's crazy. Look, and there's even proof in the wallet. Look at that, daily stack, 101. Guys, set one up. It's really easy to do. Download a Lolly account and just set it up. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video.